Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to change oil for a lawn mower. Now, it is gasoline engine, 4-cylinder, so obviously you need to change oil. Typically, the manufacturer recommendation is every 25 or maybe 50 hours of usage, or maybe every season. But let's be honest, changing engine oil on a lawn mower is a pain. They don't have drain plug. So usually what people do is they tilt the lawnmower or even put it upside down, and then gasoline will come out, create a big mess, and smell really bad. So a lot of people just say, yeah, I'm not going to change it, and myself included, by the way. However, today we are going to do it differently. We're going to use a extraction pump, and nothing messy at all, and it's super easy. I have this extraction pump to change oil for my car actually, so I'm not sure it's really worthwhile to buy one just for this purpose, but I guess you might have snowblower etc. It wouldn't be that bad an idea. Still, it costs about $60 to $80. I will put a link to Amazon in the description, so that's up to you. Anyhow, let's do it. Just open the cap and put the thick strip aside, and now we just put the hose into it, pull it all the way to the bottom, and we start pumping, and the oils come out. Just that simple. Until nothing comes out, we're done. Of course, it's not there yet. It takes several minutes, so probably going to start the video for now, and we'll check back later. It's a good idea to move the tubings again here, there, to make sure that you pump out all the oil. As simple as that. If all you hear is just air, then you're probably good to go, as you can hear in this video. Can you hear it? After all the oil comes out, just take the tubing out and let's add oil. Now the oil I'm going to add is 5W30 full synthetic. And let's not get into the debate of whether you should use 5W30 or just straight 30 weight. It can be used. In fact, I'm going to put a screenshot from lawnmower manufacturer tell you, especially for synthetic ones, they are totally safe to use. They are in fact better to use. Whether they are more expensive or not depends on how you buy the oil and where you buy it. Usually they're on sale all the time, so I don't see them any more expensive, and it's a lot more convenient that way, for me at least. So don't add too much. So they only take a very little bit. So you want to add a bit by a bit, and then check the oil level constantly. So that's all I'm going to add for now, and I'm going to check. Yeah, see? Pretty much right on spot. Finally, this is a screenshot from Briggs and Stratton website showing you synthetic 5W30 is perfectly safe to use. In fact, even better than straight 30. So this is how to change oil with the extraction pump for a lawnmower. It's very easy and clean, right? Well, if you think so, you think the video is helpful for you, please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.